Happy birthday, Kristen. Happy birthday, Kristen. Happy birthday.
First of all, happy birthday. Even though we can't be there in person right now, we did not want to miss the chance to tell you how much this celebration meant to us. Today is all about celebrating you, your kindness, your sweetness, your laughter, and everything that makes you the amazing person you are. I hope this day brings you so much joy, love, and peace. You deserve nothing but the best, not just today, but every day. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of our family, Team Pilacion. For now, just know that we, Yorka family, and Inay Asyon are spending you the biggest hug. Again, happy birthday, heart, from Yorka family. Make a wish, make it count, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Cristel!
God bless you.
Ingat always.
From
The Castro family!
Happy birthday, Ate Heart! Wish you all the best in life and stay pretty, fashionista.
Enjoy the day, enjoy the party, and we will see you sometime next year.
We love you.
We love you. Have a good one.
Hi! Happy birthday, guys! So, wishing you all the best and praying for your good health and more success sa business niyong mag-asawa. Hopefully, na in the near future, we can have a bonding. So, maybe in 2027. And, sorry, ako lang ang nag-video na at nagpadala ng greetings sa'yo kasi si kuya mo is on field and si Vince is in Vancouver. But always remember that we love you at lagi mong tatandaan, I'm always here at your back. Happy birthday and bye!
Hi, Ate. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday all the way here from Canada. Very memorable ang pag-video ko na to because it's the first snowfall in Whitehorse as of today. Anyway, again, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. And now that you're 40, I just wish nothing but happiness and fun for your life in the coming years. I know that marami kang ikinaka-stress sa buhay because of a lot of things, and I hope that in the next few hours, or if tapos na, since it's always ahead there, your celebration will have been a blast and you would have enjoyed the celebration for sure. I know that Kuya Robert has prepared a lot of stuff for you and I hope that you enjoy that. Enjoy the night. Hindi naman ikaw mukhang 40. It just looks like you're having another birthday from what we've celebrated before, diba? But anyway, I do want to honor you this time because it's been 2 years and counting since I left the Philippines, and up till this day, naninibago pa rin ako when I think about how many events we haven't spent together because lagi tayong magkadikit, lagi tayong magkasama, and I am very excited for when I come home so that we can spend so much more time together. I just also want to honor you because you are our ate. Like, everyone sa magpipinsan, lagi tayong may mga ate. And because sa akin, wala naman akong talagang kapatid na babae, you have become the image of ate for my life. And I'm very thankful for you for that because you have been an inspiration for me for a lot of things. You were my inspiration in becoming a flight attendant, and you were also my inspiration for reaching hard for my dreams and helping my family out because nakikita namin sa'yo, and you are truly a beautiful and wonderful soul, and we are all blessed and thankful to have you in our lives. Continue to be a blessing in other people's lives, and the same way God will bless you 100-fold more. I hope that you are happy today and in the next few years to come. Enjoy life. Huwag magpaka-stress. At baka lumabas lalo ang wrinkles. But yeah, know that I love you and I miss you, and I really am excited to see everyone soon. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Cristel.
Happy birthday, Ate Heart! Wish namin is good health. Kasi nasa iyo na naman lahat. Mayorang mayora. So, gusto namin ikaw batiin again and again and again. Happy birthday. At dahil nga nag-i-English siya si Ate Camille, so we will sing a song, Chinese. 生日快乐，生日快乐，生日幸福，生日健康，生日前途光明。Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. O yan na, happy 20th times 2 pala. Kaya ni Jason, birthday din niya. O, so, kambal. So, ayun lang. Thank you for everything, ate. Ikaw talaga yung ate ko. Ate naming lahat. Thank you very much sa lahat. Mapa-financial, mapa-chismisan, syempre, hindi mawawala yon. At saka sa mga, advice. Yon, hindi namin yan malilimutan. Thank you sa lahat. Wala na akong kayang sabihin, kundi I'm very thankful and I'm thankful na ibinigay ka ni God sa amin. Although mataray, kasama na yun. Pero napaka-generous naman. Yun naman ang masasabi ko. Yun lang. And super thankful din ako kasi hindi tayo pinaglalayo magpipinsan. Talagang solid pa rin tayo. Happy birthday ulit, ate. God bless. We love you. From Singapore.
Birthday, Heart Pilapil Porto!
Cristel, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Kala ko kung sinong mayora sinasabi, ikaw pala. Ay, totoo nga, na talagang mayora ka. Oh, yay!
Happy birthday, Gibe. Cristel, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Cristel.
Happy birthday, Cristel.
Happy birthday, Heart! Wish you all the best and stay beautiful all the time. Take care. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Ninang Heart! I love you and I miss you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Ninang Heart. We love you so much. Mwah.
Marhaba, Eid Milad sa Eid Nasnif. Happy birthday, Nasnif. Grabe, sobrang bilis ng panahon. Dati, nag-aaral lang tayo sa Olca. Tapos ngayon, nag-celebrate ka na ng 40 years old. Sorry kasi hindi ako nakauwi. Kasi alam mo naman, medyo 3 beses na ako umuwi this year. Hope to see you soon. And ang wish ko is, sana magkaroon ka ng healthy life. Kasi alam ko naman, lahat naman nasa iyo na. So, yun lang wish ko, magkaroon ka ng healthy life. And, sana makapag-travel tayo soon. Kahit sa Siargao lang. Kasi alam ko, super busy lahat ng schedules mo at ko. And ni Camille and ni Jinky. So, hopefully, makapag-reunion tayong 4. And, dahil ayaw ko magpatalo sa mga pinsan ko, kakanta rin ako ng Arabic. Sana hewa e kami, sana hewa e kami, sana hewa, sana hewa, sana hewa e kami. I love you, Nasnif. See you soon.
Hi, Tita Heart. Happy birthday. God bless. Love you.
Hello sa nag-iisang mayora, madam, at napakagandang tala ng Barangay Bunliw. Happy birthday sa'yo. Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Alindog, maraming pera, pagmamahal, sana all. Ang wish ko na lang para sa'yo is for you to stay healthy, be safe, at God bless you more and more. Happy birthday sa'yo, kumari kong Tala. We love you. Nasa school pa ang iyong inaanak. Kaya wala siyang greeting. For now, ako na lang muna ang pagtiyagaan mo. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Mayora!
Happy birthday, Heart. All the best. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Heart! I love you! Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng tulong mo. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday! Guys!
Good day, Bubbles! Alam ko naman, super blessed ka na, pero sana lalo ka pang i-bless ni Lord and good health. More happiness. Love you.
Hi, Ate! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka today, Ate. Sayang wala kami. Pero see you soon, Ate. Happy 40th birthday. 40 ba? Parang 20 lang naman. Happy birthday, Ate. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Tala. God bless and stay healthy, sexy. See you soon. Ate. Bye, Ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bear! Wish ko sa'yo ngayong 40th birthday mo. Sana lagi kang happy and good health. Miss you!
Mali ka ng bati, Tita Heart. I love you. Mwah.
Ba't ka na? Happy birthday, Ninang Heart.
Happy birthday, Ninang Heart. I love you.
Bye!
Bye!
Hi, Ate Heart! Happy 20th! Ano na? Kamusta? Sorry, wala kami dyan ni Cams at saka ni Ate Trish sa birthday mo, but I'm hoping to catch up with you soon. Kasama sila Kambal. Magchichikahan na naman tayo hanggang morning. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this lovely evening with your family and friends. For sure, bonggang-bongga ka na naman tonight. Ayun lang, I miss you and we hope to see you soon. You'll always be our Ate Heart and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Heart! Stay fabulous! From Singapore, with love!
Happy birthday, Heart! Stay pretty and young. From Singapore with love.
Hi, Cristel. Happy 40th birthday. Love you. Hi, Cristel. Wow, 40 ka na pala. Pero lalong gumaganda. Happy birthday. Love you.
Game.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Miss Heart! From Manila and West Happy 22nd birthday, Mom Heart! More blessings to come! We love you from your ITT family! Happy 22nd birthday, Mom Heart! We love you from Ram family!
Hi po, Miss Heart Pilapil Porto. This is Clarice. Happy birthday. Sana po maging masaya inyong kaarawan. More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Heart Pilapin Porto, what is up? It is Jeremy G. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Heart Pilapil Porto, hello sa'yo. Happy birthday, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, God bless.
Hello, Heart Pilapil Porto. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Birthday, Heart Pilapil Porto. You're such a very good birthday girl. In the vicinity of oneself, nobody's perfect.
Hi, Heart Pilapil Porto. This is Lexi. Gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday. God bless you. More power to you. I wish you a lot of blessings and good health.
Hello, this is Annalyn Barro. Gusto ko lang batiin si Heart Pilapil ng happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Heart. Love you, Porto. God bless you.
Hello, Heart Pilapil Porto. This is Darren. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng birthday wishes mo ay matupad and God bless always. Salamat.
Heart Pilapil Porto. Just want to say God bless everybody. Take care of yourself. More power.